Hello, Bitwig certified end user and professional DJ, Vic Vapor with you, and welcome to my Bitwig Studio 2.3 course. Before we get started, I just want to say if it's the first time you're visiting the Martini Lounge channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell, and we'll see you inside.
All right, welcome back. So let's take a look at adding more clips. So currently we've got these two clips. We've got our instrument channel, our audio channel. So let's say I want to add another clip, something different, because I think right now we just have beats. Let me see. Yeah, it's just beats. So let's go ahead and name this. A couple ways I can do that. I can right click, select name, or use Command R as the shortcut. So I'll just click here and we'll title this guy Beats. And now I want to add another audio channel. So a couple ways I can do that as well. If I click here on the plus button, it's just going to add another instrument channel. But if I right click out here in the open space, I can add audio channel, and we can see there's a shortcut, Command Shift T. Or if I wanted to, I could simply go up here to the add button and add an audio track from here as well. So I'm going to click that and add an audio track, and then we will right click and rename this guy. This will be probably, I'm going to see if I can find us a synth loop. So I'll put synth here and I'll highlight this open empty slot, and we'll hit the letter B on our keyboard, and now I've got our menu back up that we can browse for our loops. So kind of let's leave the beat port and let's see, sampled synths volume 1. ASM chords, so we can just kind of. That, unfortunately, is not quite what I'm looking for. I need something, maybe we'll have to go back here and stay within Beatport. So we'll try synth loops within Beatport. That sounds good. So I'll select OK, and automatically the clip is available for us now within our track. So I can simply play both of these now because they're different tracks together. So I'll launch this guy, and now I can launch the synth loop. And we can do some level adjusting here. I can also pan it left or right if I choose to. And if you pan or move a knob and you want it back to its default, just double click it and it goes right back. I can solo. I can mute. And if I wanted to, I hit my space bar to stop there. If I hit my tab button, I can now see in the clips and arrange view that clip is available for me here as well to begin, adding additional recordings or additional material over here within the arrange side. So everything stays the same. So from tab, from clips to arrange, it stayed with us. All right, let's move on to the next video.